everybody, welcome aboard Espresso Rescue. We're here in Houston, Texas. This is Houston's first coffee truck. My name's James. I'm the owner and the operator of this awesome little truck. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of our new smoothie drinks. If you've had our fruit smoothies that we've been cranking out for a while, and you know how good they are, wait till you have one of these. They're awesome. Because not only do we save you from bad drinks, we can save you from this 105-degree Texas heat and still get you a little caffeine fix. Alright, let's get this started. First thing we're going to need is a shot of espresso. We're using Cat's Jumping Mouse in the espresso machine. Good locally roasted coffee in a small batch. On the espresso machine, only using distilled water. I used to be a flight attendant. I know about 20-year-old plastic tanks full of water and what they turn into, and it's nothing that you want to be making espresso out of, trust me. Now you might have had a drink like this, ends in the word chino. Well, we can't use that word because that belongs to a very large coffee company in Seattle, and we don't want to get in any trouble with them. So we're calling this an espresso smoothie. We've got our shot. Let's get that right here in the BlendTec blender. Now we're going to add 2 scoops of Ghirardelli frappe mix. I'm using the mocha. I think the chocolate pairs really well with that Jumping Mouse espresso shot. Now let's get us a cup of fresh ice. Alright, we get that in there. Close up the lid. Close that, it gets a bit noisy. Then you could add a shot of vanilla to this, maybe some hazelnut, caramel. However you like it, that's how we're going to make it for you. Alright, 35 seconds seems like forever when you're shooting a video. There it goes, giving us the beep that it's ready. Get this thing in here. Get a straw. Oh my God. You have got to come try one of these. This one's mine, but I got plenty of supplies. I'll make one up for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road, saving you from another bad drink, and support your local food trucks wherever you happen to be.